Yo, I'm Big Brian. Hey, what's up, guys? So the other day I made some turkey chops and it was so good. And I got this. I'm like cleaning out my freezer, you know? You don't like food to be in the freezer too long. But anyway, this is split turkey breast. Okay, so I'm gonna cut these in the air fryer. So let's see how these turn out. Turkey chops turned out real good. Okay, guys, the first thing I noticed, this thing has a pop-up thermometer, so um, definitely probably made for the oven, but I'm gonna try to cook it in the air fryer to see what happens. Okay, once again, Big Brian's experimenting. So anyway, I'm still using up my season. That's been in my cabinet for a while, so I'm using it up. Beer can chicken, onion powder, and this stuff, honey hickory. So let me season this up real quick. Okay, guys, I put some butter on this aluminum foil and put it in there just like this. I don't know why I put it on aluminum foil. Something just told me to do it. Maybe capture some juice. And here we go. And the one thing I know about cooking in the oven, 350 seems to be the universal time for temperature for stuff. So I'm gonna do this at 370 for half an hour. Hope that does it. Might even back it down. 360, 365. All right, I'll be right back. Let's see if that thermometer pops up. Okay, guys, I checked on it and I'm glad I did. This thing started swelling up, so I had to cut it. I'm gonna put it back in there and I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit because I don't want it to burn before it cooks. Okay, guys, let's finish. See how much time we got left. 15 minutes. I think I'm gonna bump the heat down to 360. Be right back. All right, guys, all done. Whew, I think it's smoking. Once again, Big Brian's experimenting. Let's see. Looks good. I think this thing popped up, the thermometer. Give me a second. Let me check it out. It looks marvelous. Remember Billy Crystal? It looks marvelous. But yeah, the thermometer popped up. Let me cut a piece and see how it tastes. And I'm also checking it with my thermometer. Not quite sure that it's done all the way. That's the thing about turkey, though. I don't think it's like chicken. I don't know if, you know, no, it's not done all the way. You can see it. Nope. Not done all the way. It's got to cook a little bit longer, guys. I think the side over here with the thermometer, that side looks kind of done. I'm going to taste a piece. I taste a piece. It tastes good, though. I'm going to probably finish heating it up in the microwave. Tastes good, though. Hey, guys, I'm going to tell you something. I got this turkey breast seasoned so well, it tastes like fried chicken. It's really good. Do not sleep on the turkey breast. And it's all white meat, which is better for you. And I finished cooking it in the microwave. That came out real good. That beer can chicken ain't no joke. Very good season. Yes, guys, do not sleep on the turkey breast. It is good. And I got some barbecue sauce on it. So it tastes like fried chicken, and we got barbecue turkey breast. Bon appetit. You guys have a great day.